So, if you are in the realm in your mind about a divorce, you might be seeing things like a gray divorce and wondering, what is that? It's generally referring to people later in life who may be over 50, whether they're gray or they're not gray. It's just typically they would be facing different issues than you might when you get divorced and you're younger than that. One of the reasons would be because you don't have as much time to recover in the workforce if you're getting divorced, or you may have had a long marriage and have never worked. And in some cases, people getting divorced when they're 50 and over, this might be a second or third marriage, and that brings unique issues as well. So generally all divorce is the same, but some of the issues you might face that you want to definitely look at is if it is a multiple divorce, there are in Pennsylvania provisions in the law for premarital assets, and you are looking at the increase in value of anything that was brought into the marriage. But you want to make sure that you back out those things that you came into the marriage with so that you're not looking at the entire retirement account. Some of the other issues that you're facing are when is the right time maybe to finalize the divorce. If you're nearing the 10-year mark, you might want to wait until the 10 years are up so that you might qualify for that Social Security benefit that you might need against your spouse. And you can be in the process of the divorce, but not finalize the divorce till it's at least 10 years. Some of the other issues that you're going to face in a gray divorce will be alimony, because your spouse may be nearing retirement. And here in Pennsylvania, it hasn't been litigated extensively because of the cost of litigation in an appellate court, but in Pennsylvania, courts generally will look at Social Security retirement, and they can apply the difference between your spouse's Social Security and yours in order to determine alimony. Other states consider it a benefit, and they don't apply Social Security retirement benefits when calculating alimony, but here they do. So that's something to consider. The other thing would be when you qualify for health insurance, because once you get divorced, you're not going to be able to get health benefits through your spouse. So some people may wait till they get that Medicaid insurance or Medicare, I'm sorry, at age 65 and wait to qualify for that so that you have health insurance. And if you haven't worked, you're really looking at alimony. And if your spouse is going to be retiring, it may be the case where you're looking at trying to get a little bit more of the assets, because as parties near retirement, generally the courts are shifting away from, one spouse who makes less getting more of the assets and closer to a 50-50 type of division, because neither one of you is going to accumulate any more assets. So there are some unique issues with a gray divorce. And if you find yourself in that position, you may need a team of experts to consult with, financial planners that'll help you plan for retirement, as well as an attorney to help you navigate the different issues and possibilities as you're moving forward in life.